Hi kids, in this video I am drawing a caterpillar. Let's draw with me a cute caterpillar. First I am drawing its cute face and its antennas. Then I am drawing its cute eyes and its smile. First part. Now I am drawing its part. Second part. Third part with hand. Fourth part, fifth part, and the last one, a sixth one. I am drawing a leaf. The caterpillar is on a leaf. Now I am going to color it. First, I am coloring its face with orange color. I am coloring its first part with red color. I am coloring its second part with yellow color. Third part with green color. I am coloring its fourth part with sky blue color. I am coloring its fifth part with blue color. I am coloring its sixth part, the last one, with indigo color. Let's color its leg with different color. Coloring in leaf with dark green color.
Subscribe us